Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. Now, over the last couple of weeks, we've been focusing on some of the most common vocal health issues that can occur in singers. We've been focusing on what they are, the signs and symptoms of them, what to do if you experience them, how to prevent them, and then the treatment for them. Now, on the first week, we focused on vocal nodules. The second week, we focused on vocal polyps. And then this week, we are focusing on vocal hemorrhage. So let's talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about it. If you're squeamish, look away now because I'm about to show you a pair of vocal cords. So this is a healthy pair of vocal cords. They are looking lovely. And then here's the vocal cords with the vocal hemorrhage. Now, a vocal hemorrhage is blood that has leaked into the vocal cords from a ruptured blood vessel, and this leaves a bruise under the surface of the vocal cords. So let's talk about how one gets a vocal hemorrhage. So some of the main causes of hemorrhaging in the vocal cords are singing aggressively, singing with poor technique, screaming, shouting, and singing in bad environments, especially environments where you can't actually hear yourself singing. Then we've got throat clearing and coughing, and this is when this is done excessively. Like polyps, hemorrhaging in the vocal cords can happen as a result of a single episode of vocal trauma. Let's just talk about some of the signs to really be aware of when it comes to vocal hemorrhaging. So the first one is acute loss of vocal range, hearing two pitches at the same time, hoarseness of the speaking and singing voice, and then throat discomfort, pain, or tightness. So these are just some of the signs that you need to be aware of when it comes to vocal hemorrhaging. Now, when it comes to treatment of vocal hemorrhaging, it all depends on the cause, the severity, and the diagnosis time of the vocal hemorrhage. For example, if there's an early diagnosis, then voice rest for several days or even a week is all that is needed. Medication may also be given as well just to help in the blood absorption of the vocal hemorrhage. Treatment after the vocal hemorrhage is resolved will be your usual voice therapy and voice hygiene interventions. Voice therapy being all about voice production work, learning how to use the muscles of voice to get the best possible sound. And then voice hygiene interventions is all about just taking care of your voice, making sure that you're keeping it free from irritants, you're drinking your water, you're steaming your voice, and you're just doing everything you can to keep your voice in the best place possible. Now, surgery may be required, but like I said, this all depends on the cause and the severity of the vocal hemorrhage. So a vocal hemorrhage can often be an indicator that a singer is maybe not using the best technique possible for singing, and that also their voicing environment may need to be adjusted. So that's it for vocal hemorrhaging. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, these videos are all about just bringing an awareness to these vocal issues so that we can prevent them. Prevention is way better than cure. But if you do notice any sudden changes in your voice, make sure that you get checked out as soon as possible. Like I always say, the sooner, the better. The quicker the diagnosis, the easier and quicker that the issue can be reversed. Until next time, amazing people, I will see you soon. Peace out.